Alright, family. The longest trade I've ever held. Hold. I'm not sure. School hasn't been doing me much justice these days. But anyways, alright. So first of all, is that I'm gonna ask you guys forgive me. I kind of did something that I don't normally do, and I don't know. But I'm going to see how best I can explain it to you guys, and then you guys comment whether or not whatever. So, alright, so my mentor pajama. Alright, so they were in the group and thing, and they were like talking about the trades and yada 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 yada. I think this trade I was holding this trade for a few days actually. Actually told him. But before that, get the story. So basically, him did have I'm not talking that group. Him trade Great Britain Pound JPY, and as you know, you see my trade them USD or JPY, them two there. First things first, I had 250 in my account at the time. I had 250 in my account, and I withdrew $200 to buy some stocks. I'm going to show you that, but yeah. So the $200 I withdrew, I had made I know I never dropped a video last week because well it wouldn't have made sense seeing that I was somewhat still in this trade. I can say this is the 6th, and if you look it was somewhat in last week trade, so it wouldn't I just felt like it never made any sense to make a video on it. Alright, so I lost this trade, and I think I had about $40 or 40 some dollars in my account, and I did something really I did something really stupid, but it paid off. And well, sometimes you have to risk it, anyways. So this is your JPY, baby, really. And essentially what I did was I'm thinking of a bigger time frame and show you guys what took place. So yeah, my chart messy and thing, but it just helped me understand certain things, and I just didn't work from. So from last week, I noticed, alright, so you see market turnover right here, so regardless, because one notice, I knew that it was going to move in like a consolidation vibe, then breakout. So if I can show you guys, so this big push down, and then I push up again, come back to this particular zone. That's why I have the green one right here. So, and then it seemed like it was in a consolidation vibe. So when the market repeats itself, you can't know but to follow it. I personally thought that it was going to go down to here, so because here so was where I initially thought it was going to go somewhere down here, so but it never did. But what I noticed was that you got some and like alright, so let's see if we can show you something. So see right here, see you notice say alright, price come down right here, so and bully bear, and it continued. I entered right here, so because the week basically all I chat, all of them week out, but it never wicked in a case where that'd be like, oh alright, right here, so that'd be like a whole floor. So I expect everything to probably close below right here, so but it never did that. So I did something very stupid. I risked $20 for this trade. I think for this $20, yeah, I know it was $40. It was like $5, 0.05 per trade, and entered the trade. I kid you not, I entered the trade, and on MT4 we can just legit just look at the screen and see if it's in blue or red to know if you're in profit or loss. That's all I've been doing. Like I haven't done something this stupid ever. So what I did when I did like it was like 1 to 2 point something, 1 to 2.5, and I closed out right here. So I closed out right here, so 1 to 2.5. I put my stop loss right here, so right at this line. Alright, and look at this, it was so close. But then in the group, I see my mentor still posting 100k, 200k. I'm like, yes, we know we're billionaires, we're still over here struggling. And because of brothers make it stay. I'm saying, alright, hold for a couple days. Cause that was what he was doing. You see me? That was what he was doing. So hold for a couple days, and I'm like, alright, cool. Anyway, so basically, him that hold him trade. You see me? And I say, alright, cool, cool. Not sir, not say 40. And I held it until I think it was Thursday. I think it was Thursday. I came out Thursday. Because I had a test on Friday. I just couldn't bother with the anxiety and everything. So I'm just, fine. It right here, so it was like the true part that I wanted it to come. It's the main true part, but as I said, the anxiety just killed me, and come out of that, and we're nice. But why I'm saying it's risky was because how USD JPY is there. How I did the same thing for this trade. The only thing is that I lost the first time I tried. I didn't lose the first time I did attempt it, and then I just try again. Like I just entered the essential about right, which bomb did lose the first time. And I'm like, alright, I'm into. So bear in mind the two of the trades them are run at the same time. So kid you not, I'm there and stress out. This particular trade, to be honest, I did not even put no stop loss or nothing through the sum. I just did have like a really far TP where I thought it was like maybe like in a 200 range for like just like EJ, and just make it go and run. And to my surprise, see there, but yo, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm somewhat retarded when it comes to the market. But as per always, you have your wins, you have some serious losses, and then you have some serious wins. And it just seemed like it would be last week and this week combined. Would be a total of everything. I did another. I just did feel like on top of the world, to be honest, and did do another entry, and it actually kind of successful. The stop loss was so close to like go down back all the way in, and I'm like, yo. But no matter what, I know say would be able losing me, so that's really that for the week. I really just 3 trades or 4. If I count on them lose, but who counts losses? Anyways, so that's that. Second thing, I know you guys always come for the YouTube thing, so let me show you guys what we've been doing. Okay, so good news ish. I have 11 days until the first copyright strike come off. See, October 27, and we are at 16. So next week, Wednesday, Thursday. So we're doing alright, isn't we? Alright, so basically, I'm sure no one actually come here for. It's fine. By the way, thanks for have my video I'm going to do so well. Long time I say 52 views. Yeah, the small channel kind of alright, but must grow now. Must grow. See the almost 1,200. Hopefully next week we'll reach there. But yeah, anyways, the analytics. So the analytics, as per usual, numbers not doing that great. Cause the work of writing, I kind of put on the book and everything. So it's here now there for me, isn't me? So come off, so can start racking by the numbers. But go to revenues. As per usual, or total money we have made, I finally crossed the $50 barrier. Finally. So just another 3 months and can we make $100? I can collect some money. I've been, eyeing a particular watch on Amazon. It's just like a milestone. I think I can show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Give me a second. Alright guys, so here it is. This is one of them. I have like 5 in my cart, but this is like the one that I say, alright, I'm going to get. if when I get ones off my YouTube, you see me? It's not expensive. Some no wanna say, oh, see that is $35. You see me, $35 for myself, $30 for my subscribers. Come say, oh, I give away 30% whatever I make between this year, next year. I just going to see if I can give back to other person who support me. So yeah, it's my Excel sheet. I'll continuously plug it today, guys. When it's not finished yet, so I'm kind of still not course. So yeah, I'm stock course, but it's Excel sheet. I use on track the stocks that I have. I start build my portfolio from scratch again, and this is where the tones went essentially. So basically, just have a few stocks in it, and currently I am up on some of these stocks. The green is where I'm up, the red is where I'm down, but the red is a good indicator to actually buy, buy while it's at its dip. But yeah, so that's really that for the Excel sheet. As per say, I don't see how much money I make. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this up for, but it's here and there. Crazy trading week. And with that said, make sure to pump the stock. And also before we forget, crypto has been making waves, and I mean a little TikTok video. I can't post it because the copyright on TikTok. So basically I just show you guys our break for buying. So I bought it when it was like at 30 something, if I'm being honest. This is how long I buy crypto. I bought some, it's not much, to be honest. It's not much. It's like about $50. Come on, it broke about 39 we buy it right here. So and no, it up here. So yeah, that's crypto for you guys. What I thought I'm gonna notice is that see crypto break, so all roof turn new floor basically, and it essentially replicate the process. So I kinda expect it for dip a little bit and then shoot up back. You see me? So just dip a little bit and then shoot up to the moon. Wait, don't waste any time now. Thanks for watching this video. I'm late, but I had to share with you guys the journey. You see me? The ups, the downs, the sideways, the struggles. Yo, just try keeping it real with you guys. So as per usual, I love you guys. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. May have pump the stock. Comment, share, subscribe to your grandma, your uncle, your sister, your brother, everybody. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.